Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you one of my favorite starter recipe, Dynamite Chicken. So let's get started with the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add 500 grams boneless chicken cut into cubes. Then add salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon soya sauce, and mix everything well. Cover and marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. Then, in a bowl, add 2 eggs and whisk them well. In another bowl, add half cup maida, half cup corn flour, salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, and mix them until well combined. Now start coating the marinated chicken cubes in dry flour mixture. Then dip them into beaten eggs. And again coat them back in the dry flour mixture. Continue the same process for the remaining marinated chicken cubes as well. Then heat oil for deep frying and add the coated chicken cubes one by one into oil. Make sure the flame is on medium heat and do not stir them immediately. After a minute, stir and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes till golden in color. Then remove the fried chicken from oil and set them aside. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining chicken as well. Now for the dynamite sauce, in a large mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon honey, and mix everything until smooth. And the dynamite sauce is ready. Now add in the fried chicken and coat them well with the dynamite sauce. And the dynamite chicken is ready. And finally, garnish with some spring onion greens and serve it immediately. Thanks for watching this video. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.